welcome to my channel. My channel's name is Style My Way Usha, and I'm Usha. I make videos related to lifestyle, fashion, styling, and I also do a lot of DIYs. If you like all these things, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So after all this introduction, let me tell you what today's video is going to be about. So today I wanted to share with you some of my oxidized silver jewelry collection. So I have been collecting this jewelry since a very long time. They are not my recent buys, some of them are. So I'm very crazy about jewelry. I do love lots of junk silver jewelry and even gold jewelry. So this is my part 1 of the jewelry video where I'm going to share with you my oxidized silver jewelry. So without further ado, let's get into my video. So first of all, how I store my jewelry is like I store them in these pouches. Each jewelry will be stored in one pouch so that they don't get tangled with each other and get damaged. So first jewelry piece that I want to share with you is my recent buy. I love this very much. That's why I bought this. It's very different from what I usually buy. Like I do buy normal traditional oxidized jewelry, which is like very common nowadays, but this is something which was so different. I really fell in love with this piece when I saw it. It has this mother of pearl detailing here, as you can see. These are all real mother of pearl things, whatever you call them. And then this is the semi-precious jewelry. So this is how it looks like. Such a nice statement piece. You can just wear this with some nice dress and it will look so pretty and so beautiful. Wear it with a little black dress or a cocktail dress which is very dark, like black in color. Usually goes well with black and white, I feel. So now let's go to the next jewelry piece. The next one is this one, which is a oxidized jewelry piece. And okay, before that I want to tell you where I got this from. I got this from Shilpa Ramam, which is in Hyderabad. It's kind of like Delhi Haat or the Janpat Gujarati market kind of thing, which is in Hyderabad. There you get lots of handicrafts, handloom items, and also this kind of oxidized jewelry items a lot, and it's very reasonable. If you are in Hyderabad, you should go and visit it after lockdown, obviously. So then this is the second piece. I got this also from Shilpa Ramam. I guess the price of this one was 500 and the price of the previous one was 1250 or something. It was a little expensive because of the mother of pearl detailing on it. So this is how this second jewelry looks like. Look at the detailing. It's very pretty, very beautiful. It's kind of like a tribal inspired piece, which I really like about this. It's very different. You don't find this kind of detailing very commonly. So this is how it looks, and I really like this. So the next thing that I want to share with you is this kind of a long silver bead chain, and it has this Lakshmi pendant. It goes very well with traditional saris, or usually silver jewelry goes very well with cotton silk or khadi silk or handloom saris. I bought this from one of my friends. She used to sell jewelry in Pune. When I used to stay in Pune, I got this from her. So this is how it looks like. It has a matching earrings set also, which has this Lakshmi detailing, like they're very small like this. I don't know where I kept them, but if I find them I'm going to show that to you. And then I have this one. This is this nowadays this is very much in trend, like this mirror kind of silver jewelry. This is how it looks like, and it's so pretty. It's very different. I have seen many people wearing this kind of mirror jewelry, but it's always kind of like a choker. But I like this because it's quite different from what I see usually, and that's why I bought this one. So then I got this piece from a flea market. Actually this was very much in trend at that time when I got this, so I really loved this piece, and it was very reasonable. I think it was like 200 or 250 rupees, and this is how it looks. It's very beautiful, so pretty. The next thing that I want to show you is this chain. It's like a very dainty silver pendant and silver chain. This was a part of a pendant which was very different. I really didn't like the pendant that much. It was very heavy. I don't know, I bought it but I didn't like it much. This one is very old. I think this is like 15 years old or something like that, and it's still so pretty and so beautiful. I bought this also from Shilparamam, and this is how it looks like. And what I did is I took off this part which was hanging below the big pendant, and then I put it on this silver chain, and it looks so beautiful, guys. I really love this one. This came out so well. This is all my DIYing techniques which I keep on doing when I don't like something. I don't like to waste things because I don't know, I'm like that. So then I got this from this big neck piece. I really loved this piece because it was quite trendy at that time, like 2 years back or something. Everyone was buying this one, so I also bought one of these. I really like this. This is a very heavy piece, and it goes so well with this white. Actually it will go well. So this is how the neck piece looks like. I bought this from Rubens or something in Myntra, I think. If I find it on Myntra, I'm going to put the link in the description box below. Then is this neck piece, which is a very heavy neck piece. But the quality is not quite that good, but it does look very nice. So this is how it looks like. I bought this from Amazon long back, maybe 2 to 3 years back. So this is how it looks like. It will go so well with a black crop top and a skirt, or like a lehenga with black top over it, or a black kurta or sari. See, this is how it will look. So those were all the neck pieces that I had, and now I'm going to share with you the bracelets and bangles which I have. And the first one is this, which you might have seen many people wearing. I bought this also from Shilparamam, I guess, for like 150 or something. And then I bought this kind of a bracelet kind of thing. I do love this one. It has pretty detailing over it, and it has this elastic, so I can just stretch it and wear it like this. It's very beautiful, as you can see. So nice. I like pairing it up with lots of things. And then I have this kind of this kind of bangle set. This is how they look like. The detailing is very beautiful. It's very pretty. I really love these two. I bought these also from Shilparamam. I think these were priced at 150 rupees or something like that. The next thing that I'm going to share with you is my earring collection. I do keep my earrings safe in a separate pouch. Every earring pair will be kept in a separate pouch. So then I bought this. This is a very nice jhumki set which I really love. It's very different from the normal traditional jhumkas. This is how it looks like. It has this kind of cute lotus pattern, very pretty. I got this also from Shilparamam. Most of my silver jewelry is from Shilparamam. They have quite a good collection of all this kind of gem silver jewelry, and they do have nice clutches collection also. They do sell nice clutches and bags, especially for traditional saris and party wear. And then I bought this from Shilparamam too. These are elephant jhumkis which I really liked. They are very different and quite pretty. Look, the detailing is so good, so beautiful. These are so nice. Okay, this is how they look like. Then I have these. I have these two. I bought this from General Bazaar in Hyderabad. If you are from Hyderabad, you will be knowing General Bazaar, which is near Paradise MG Road. So I bought this from there, from a vendor there. I really love these, so nice, very pretty. And then I got these from Shilparamam too. This kind of square shaped jhumkas which are quite trending nowadays. And then it has these pink stones. This is how they look, very pretty, very pretty. And then I cannot show you all the earrings which I have, so I'm showing you those earrings which I really like and I think are quite different from other earrings. Then I got these long bag from my friend who sells jewelry in Pune, as I have told you. These are Afghani Chandbali earrings. This is how they look like. Very beautiful and very pretty. I have used them a lot. And then I have got these. I got this recently from Shilparamam, but they are actually the kundans of these earrings are very pretty and so beautiful. Look at this one. See this? The kundans are falling off and I'm so disappointed. They're so pretty otherwise. I think I'm going to buy some colorful kundans and stick them on this. That's why I have kept it. So then I have got these. These are also very reasonable. These were like just 50 rupees a pair. I really loved them. Very pretty, very beautiful. I got these also from Shilparamam. So this is how the pair looks like. So beautiful with all this colorful beads and all. It's very pretty. It has this kind of coppery thing going on here, as you can see. Very nice. It gives kind of like a antique effect to the jewelry. So next I got these from Bangalore. This is how they look. This is they have this peacock detailing and then this colorful detailing, kind of like a meenakari design going on. They're very pretty, very beautiful. I don't remember from where in Bangalore I got this. I don't remember the areas in Bangalore, sorry guys. So very nice, very pretty. I really love them too. And then I have these are the mirror earrings. This is how they look like. I got this so that they match with this neck piece which I have shown you before. So this is how they look like. These are also very reasonable, guys. I think these were like 100 rupees or less. I don't remember now. Then are these I have worn a lot. I think I have worn this in my videos also. This is how they look like. These are also the mirror kind of Chandbali earrings. These were also just for 150 rupees or something. The last one are these earrings. This is a pretty pair, simple and pretty. I really like this one too. It has this jal detailing which is so pretty. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I am going to do a part 2 of my jewelry collection, where I am going to share my gold plated jewelry. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.